Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? This is Larry Jones. Welcome back. Go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Hey, I know you guys are enjoying these days off, this long weekend, but let's get into what I think is happening with this new variant that has come out of Africa, okay, and how it's going to affect stock market and crypto. I'm going to make this one really quick because I want you guys to look at where we could buy some good dips. I just want to point you into a general area. But before I do that, I have to tell you that anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell a stock. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just Larry on YouTube talking about stocks and crypto, okay? Also want to tell you, do not fall for spam. I will never inbox you talking about a WhatsApp. None of that. Broker, none of that, okay? Spam, never send money anywhere. I also want to tell you that if you want easy trading, an easy way to get into crypto, I have a link for Coinbase and Webull for stocks and crypto. Let's get into it. I just want to say, hey, if you were looking at a stock that was already beat down, meaning you thought it was at a good price, it was undervalued. One for me for a swing trade was NEO, right? And you thought it had room to still run. For those of you that know, I was buying some in crypto. I was buying some Crow, crypto.com. I thought it still had room to run, right? Now that it's pushed down, then those are the ones that I'm looking at. As a matter of fact, I challenge you to just go on to Google and just Google what stock are oversold. And I want you guys to start looking for opportunities. Now, what you do in a situation like this is not go all in. You split your money up to 3 or 4 parts. It just always works. And you dollar cost average your way in. So if you buy a stock at a certain price, it drops down, then you could buy more, right? I want to tell you guys that this variant, we don't know how effective the existing vaccines are to it. We just don't know. All we're doing is guessing. But here's what I would suggest to you, that if our existing vaccines are very effective, if it has 60, 70% effectiveness, there's another word that they use, efficacy. That's it. Man, I said it, efficacy. But if it has a 60 or up and it's effective towards this new variant that's coming out of South Africa, then I will tell you, you're going to see some quick rebounds. And those of us that bought these dips, we're going to be flipping and dancing in the street because it was truly Black Friday. But if this variant is, it is very strong and it mutates and we don't, and what we have does not work against it, then it's going to be prolonged, good people. So be careful on going on all at one time buying these dips, okay? Hopefully this helps you out. Listen, let's look at this. Let's look at what happened. Remember, the last variant that we had was the Delta variant, which was supposed to be stronger and all of this, right? Remember that? So what I did was I went here and I want you guys to look at this. I literally Googled this, okay? Delta variant. When did it start? On July 27th, that's when the CDC released this report. But here, in late June, right, the 7-day moving average reported a case that was around 12,000, okay? So we do know that the market was already reacting to this in late June. And here's what I want to show you. Let's find June. How did we get over here? January, June. Okay, here you can see in late June. This is June 30th, right? So I can tell you that this is crypto and this is the Dow. So the Dow moving average is just a snapshot of overall snapshot of the stock market. And this is Bitcoin, which is like the Dow, similar, right? So here we go. We were riding high just like we were. And then the Delta variant hit. And then what happened? crypto actually tanked more than the stock market did. And then, so I believe that here we are right now. We're trying to find out what's going to happen with this variant. If it's a big fat nothing burger, I believe crypto is going to do this. Boom. Okay. But I also think that this time the stock market will actually do this too. As you can see, this big green candle here, the stock market also started to buy in. Sometimes this is a sign of, whales or what have you. But that's what I wanted to show you. So now what you want to do is you want to look for the opportunities, good people. We don't want to operate in fear. Now it's time to be brave. Okay. When others are fearful, it's time for you to be brave. Here's what I want to also leave with you. If your boat is not balanced, this is the perfect time to balance the boat. Meaning, if you don't have any banking stock, now's the time. If you wanted to get into the metaverse, like buying like AMD, some of these metaverse, Facebook, NVIDIA, some of these Facebook stock, I would look at some of those in crypto, Decentraland, Mana. There's more crypto stock or crypto rather, that is deep into the metaverse. Just Google what crypto will profit from the metaverse. Okay. And I just want you to look at those things that are beat down. And even in electric vehicles, if you don't have any charging stations, cars, I would look at Ford and GM. But definitely look at some banks, because the banks, I could tell you, I have Morgan Stanley, got beat down also. But banks will recover. So start balancing your boat. You don't have to buy a lot of it, but buy some of it. Because when stuff like this happens, you want some stock to actually start going up while some are going down, good people. So I don't want to talk about an exact stock. I just want to point you guys in the direction of where we could be looking at to find some values. Okay, good people. Listen, I want to tell you that if you want an easy way to trade crypto, then download the link that I have for Coinbase and you're going to get some free Bitcoin. And if you want to swing trade it or be able to trade before the market opens and after the market closes, download the Webull app. Also, the 30% discount for TipRanks is still going on, all right, this weekend. And I have a link below for TipRanks. What it is it is Wall Street analysts, their best performing analysts. So now when you find a stock that you think is oversold or beat down, you could see what the Wall Street analysts suggest that it's going to be in the next 12 months. I use it, and I want to leave by saying this. You invest in your future, meaning invest in some of these tools that are very cheap. Somebody would ask me about a Discord. Hey, I'm glad that you don't have a Discord, blah, 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 blah. And I said, hey, are you a part of a Discord? He said, yeah. I said, did you make some money? He said, yeah. I said, so if you're paying $20 a month and it's making you $200 a month, then you cannot complain. And I don't even have a Discord, but I'm telling you guys, some of these Discords are making a lot of money for a lot of people. Okay, good people. So if you want to learn about options, he don't even know I'm saying this. Go to my boy Keenan Grace. Keenan Grace. If you want to learn about options, join Keenan Grace's options. I'm just saying this, and he knows nothing about this. And it doesn't have to be Keenan. Anybody you think that will, if you only paying $20 or $30 a month and it's making you $2,000 a month, just consider the investment. All right. I'm going to leave it right there, good people. I hope you have a blessed and wonderful weekend, and we will see you Sunday afternoon. You're blessed by the best. I love each and every one of you. Live, love, laugh, and learn.